Hello everyone, it's Know Your English here, and today we are looking at why most people want to be a fly on the wall. The phrase, to be a fly on the wall, means to secretly listen in on a conversation. Imagine a tiny fly buzzing around, unnoticed, hearing everything. I would say that is pretty sneaky. But where did this interesting idiom come from? It appears to have all started in the early 20th century. Writers and speakers began using it to describe the ultimate eavesdropping experience. Think of it as the original undercover spy. So the next time you hear someone say they want to be a fly on the wall, now you know they just want to catch all those juicy details without anyone noticing. Totally makes sense, doesn't it? Now, go and impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. Just don't buzz too loudly. Do you need a better understanding of euphemisms? Well, click the link on your screen now. Please like the video if you found it interesting, and we will catch you in the next one.